how to get an inactive Instagram username. So if you want to get back an inactive Instagram username, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up to your Google, and you just have to tap over the search bar and search for Instagram Help Center. You can see over here, and after that tap over the Instagram Help Center and you'll be opened up to this section. In the search bar, tap and search for impersonated on Instagram. You can see over here, and once you search for that, you'll be able to see these results. Simply tap over how to report an account for impersonation, and here is a highlighted center which is fill out this from. Tap over there and you'll be able to see this interface. You just have to select for second option, which is someone created an account pretending to be me or a friend, and you have to go for yes, I am the person being impersonated, and here will be text boxes in front of your screen. You just have to type in your full name, your email address, and the full name listed on your account that you are reporting, and your Instagram username of reported account. And by doing that, the additional info over here, you can type that you want to get your inactivate Instagram username of yours, and simply tap over the send option over here with blue color. And by doing that, Instagram will contact you through any media, and they will guide you to get back or get your inactive Instagram username. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.